Reuters reports that the Trump administration has resumed funding for certain foreign aid packages, including a $400 million package for Pakistan's F-16 program, which was initially halted when Trump took office. The official reasoning is that the U.S. intends to monitor Pakistan's use of these jets to ensure they are employed solely for counter-terrorism operations and not against India. However, this justification raises questions. If Washington truly wants to prevent Pakistan from using F-16 against India, there are more effective ways, such as diplomatic engagement, sanctions, or halting spare parts supplies. Instead, the funding is presented as a monitoring package, which appears contradictory. The U.S. has long been aware of Pakistan's military posture and use of F-16. Pakistan has already acquired beyond visual range capability, integrating AKEM-120C5 missiles into its arsenal, which were effectively deployed during Operation Swift Retort on February 27th. Given this, the claim that $400 million is needed for monitoring seems dubious. Pakistan's F-16 fleet, over 90 jets, remains strategically positioned, with key air bases like Sargodha and Jacobabad playing crucial roles in deterrence. Despite past U.S. assurances to India, Pakistan continues to use its F-16 as needed, regardless of American oversight. The key question is, where is this $400 million actually going? The idea that such a significant sum is purely for monitoring is implausible. Financial allocations of this scale are typically tied to broader strategic objectives. Could this be a cover for something else? Is the U.S. using this funding to exert influence over Pakistan, or is there another undisclosed purpose? Ultimately, Pakistan has heavily invested in its F-16 fleet and will continue to use these assets to safeguard its interests. If the U.S. truly wants to limit their use against India, a monitoring package is unlikely to have any real impact. Instead, this move raises suspicions about the actual motivations behind the financial aid